Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fudge sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. Whisk them together thoroughly. Then, add the heavy cream and butter. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring continuously with a whisk. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, ensuring everything is well combined and smooth. This step is crucial for a rich texture. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Continue stirring frequently to prevent the bottom from scorching. You'll notice the sauce gradually thickening as it cooks. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld and the sauce to reach that perfect, luscious consistency. Keep an eye on it. Finally, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's fully incorporated. Your rich, homemade fudge sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over your favorite ice cream, brownies, or other desserts. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Reheat gently before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.